Hello, my name is Calvert Mata and I'll be showing you how to make shapes using CSS. I already started here doing some of this code and I created a division and I added a class and the class is called Kids Ball. I'm going to make a circle and I'm going to make it look like a ball. Add some color. So what I did, I give it the height and width so to save my space, and I'm going to start with the border right, top, left, and bottom, which is going to give me the shape. That it's a circle that I'm making. That's why it looks like this, because they're all different values. So I'm going to do my size that I want is 100 pixel. 100 pixel right, 100 pixel top, 100 pixel left. 100 pixel. So that's kind of the size I want for my shape. Now I'm gonna do I'm gonna shape it so it looks like a circle, and it has to look the same. I'm gonna use the border radius, so it doesn't. It has to be the same, but also have to be enough pixels so it makes it round. Depends on the size. So I'm gonna do 100 also. 100 pixel on the left, top left. Now I'm gonna see how on the top right radius, left, and bottom. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some color so it looks like a colorful, playful ball. So we're gonna do yellow. I'm gonna do red. And I'm gonna do orange. So with that, you can see you can make changes too. You can remove this color like doing the transparent, and it's gonna look like a Pac-Man here. So now I'm gonna add so I need to add a class here, which is a circle. I'm adding this class here because I want to make it to actually look like an actual ball. So it has a white circle inside in the middle. So I added another division inside the division so I can CSS with this class, and I call it circle. So, and I'm gonna add a background color, and that background color is gonna be white. And I'm gonna add width and height. So I want it 45 pixel width, 45 pixel height. So I have it right here. And actually, I want it a circle. So I'm gonna do border radius, and I'm gonna do border radius, and I'm gonna do 50% of 50 pixel. 50 pixel. Usually, sometimes doesn't want to take like this. So let me use what I use up here to make my corners shape. My corners. So it looks like a circle now. Then I have my my circle inside my circle, but I want it in the middle. And what I did, I used position relative and position absolute. So position absolute and position relative is going to allow you to move that circle to the place that you want. So what I found was if I do -20 pixel, because I was, on the other side. So if I do on the left -20 pixel, that goes inside in the middle. So that's when we use position relative and position absolute. When we use position absolute inside the circle, inside this class division, it's going to allow us to, with bottom, left, right, and top, move our item in the position we want. And that's it. That's what I wanted to make. I wanted to make circles and I added a circle inside the circle. Thank you very much.